It's raining. Rained so much today. Now it's raining. Can't even see anything. And Ted's camped out on his fur, looking out. Ted loves a rainstorm, don't you, Teddy? Do you love a rainstorm, Teddy? And Teddy loves it. Teddy loves it. He's such a good boy. He had catnip. He had his salmon dinner. And now he's stretched out. Look how big he is. Look at that. Look at the little back legs. Look how big he is. Such a big kitty. He's the best. He's the prettiest cat. You let me groom him. I use the big comb and get lots of old hair out so he doesn't shed too much. Oh look, he's going to wash his ears. Can you hear the rain? Oh, he's going to wash the tummy. I wonder if I can show the rain. Oh, can't see anything. Stay in where it's cozy with Teddy. Teddy's going to groom himself. Good night.